Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Devon, and this is New Touch Auto Dipping. New touch. When I tell you new touch, you bring your car to us. We're gonna give you a new touch, new feel, and a new look at the same time. You know, you got these cars out here, man. They look nice, yeah. When you buy them, they look nice. But swing it over here to New Touch Auto Dipping. We're gonna change it up, man. That's what we do. We're gonna change it up. You want to see more of that? Stay tuned for this video. All right, y'all, we got a beast on our hands, man. Not just a beast, but a monster. A monster, man. Y'all see how big this truck is back here. Dodge Ram pickup, 1500. We about to tame this beast, y'all. We gonna tame him. It's big, but we got it. We're gonna hit it with the carbon red. Carbon red pearls, man. We're gonna top it off. We're gonna do the door jambs. We're gonna do the exterior. We're gonna set it off. Y'all stay tuned. It's about that time. Y'all know when you see that prep job going on, we're about to lay it down, man. We got everything done, prep. We started in certain areas already, but we about to complete the whole process. So y'all sit back, enjoy the rest of this video. Alright, y'all, we done, man. We cleaning it up right now. Make sure we got everything intact. We're gonna get it outside. We're gonna let y'all be the judge. Hold tight. All right, y'all, let's do this rundown real quick. Let you know exactly what we did to this vehicle. Hold up. Let me take that back. This beast. Let you know exactly what we did to this beast. We got the carbon red everywhere, man. We got the carbon red on the front emblem, the Dodge Ram, carbon red all the way around. We left the chrome out. See, it look good. And we did the door jambs. We matched it up. Got his door jambs right, man. I said, carbon red everywhere, man. Everywhere. Even in the back. See it in the middle? We switched it up. We switched it up in the back and we switched it up in the front. But check this out. I told you we were gonna tame this beast. You tell me if we tamed it or not. Leave me a comment. Let me know exactly what you think. Let me know exactly what you might want to see. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel. Check out our videos. You know, you might like a lot of them. I mean that. All right, thank you for watching. Give me a like if you like it. Hope to see you in the future.